Welcome to Letting Go, Episode 4. Welcome to this fourth episode in our journey of letting go. Today, we'll focus on letting go of fear. Fear is a natural part of life. It's our mind's way of trying to protect us. But sometimes, fear holds us back. It keeps us stuck in patterns, stops us from taking action, or clouds our vision of what's possible. This meditation will help you gently acknowledge your fears, release their hold on you, and invite courage into your heart. Courage doesn't mean the absence of fear, it means choosing to move forward in spite of it, trusting yourself and the journey ahead. As always, let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit with your back straight, your hands resting in your lap, or lie down with your arms at your sides. Close your eyes, or let your gaze soften. Take a moment to settle into this space, knowing that you are safe here. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply, letting the breath fill your lungs. And exhale fully, releasing any tension. Now, let your breath find its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. With each exhale, allow yourself to relax a little more. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the support of the surface beneath you. Notice any sensations in your body without judgment, just observe. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Each inhale is a fresh start, and each exhale is a release. Now, I'd like you to gently bring your awareness to the fears that may be present in your life. Without overthinking, ask yourself, what am I afraid of? This might be a fear of failure, rejection, change, or even the unknown. Whatever comes to mind, trust that it's okay to explore it here. Take a moment to name this fear silently to yourself. Simply acknowledge it, as if you're seeing it clearly for the first time. Now, imagine this fear as a small flame in front of you. It's not dangerous, it's just a flicker of energy, something your mind has created to try to protect you. Observe this flame with curiosity and compassion. Ask yourself, what is this fear trying to tell me? What does it need from me right now? Sometimes, fear simply needs to be seen, acknowledged, and understood. By facing it, we begin to release its power over us. Now that you've acknowledged this fear, let's practice releasing it. Imagine holding this small flame of fear in your hands. Feel its warmth, its flickering energy. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine blowing gently on this flame. Watch as it begins to fade, growing smaller and smaller until it disappears completely. Let's try this together. Take another deep breath in. And exhale, releasing the fear, letting it go. Again, inhale deeply, gathering any remaining tension or worry. And exhale, watching the fear dissolve. Notice how it feels to release this fear. Trust that you are safe, and it's okay to let it go. Now that you've created space by releasing fear, let's invite courage and trust into your heart. Imagine a warm, golden light flowing down from above, gently entering your body through the top of your head. This light represents courage, strength, and trust. Feel it flowing through your entire body, into your chest, your arms, your legs, filling every corner of your being. As you breathe, silently repeat these words to yourself. I am strong. I am courageous. I trust myself and my journey. Let's repeat that together. I am strong. I am courageous. I trust myself and my journey. With each breath, let this golden light grow brighter, filling you with a deep sense of confidence and peace. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to honor yourself for this practice. By facing your fears and inviting courage, you've taken a powerful step toward living more freely and fully. Remember, courage isn't about being fearless, it's about trusting yourself and moving forward, even when fear is present. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy returning to your body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. In our next session, we'll explore letting go of control and embracing trust in the flow of life. Until then, carry this sense of courage and trust with you. You are stronger than you realize. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.